Did you know that you can start using Semrush, the SEO tool, for free? So there's this big misconception that Semrush only has paid plans, and I kind of understand why that's the thing. It's because it's basically impossible and like a treasure hunt to find out that they do have a free plan on their website. It's a little tricky to find, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a free Semrush account so you can start getting all of the data without the big price tag. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Mariah. I'm an SEO consultant and educator for business owners over at mariahmagazine.com. And on this channel, I dive into things like SEO, websites, tech, and I dive into tools and recommendations to help you grow your online business in a way that works for you. So this intro, I'm going to keep it quick. I'm going to keep it snappy. Basically, I'm going to show you how to create a free Semrush account, and I'm going to show you where you can find out what is included in that account. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so when you go to semrush.com, you can see that you can enter something and you can click start now, and then they have login and sign up and all of that. And they do have a try for free. And so obviously their homepage might look different by the time that you are watching this, but I feel like half of the time when you click on things, it will take you to this screen. And it's kind of questionable because you're just like, am I signing up for a paid account? I don't want to do that. It's not very clear. So I will say, even when you click on the start your free trial, I feel like this is why people get confused, is because it's not clear what kind of account. Are you going to ask my credit card information? You're giving me no information here whatsoever. So I will say that if you click the sign up button or, whichever button, and you get to this, basically what you can do is you can create an account, and this is how you create a free account. So I'm going to just pop in a different Gmail account that I don't already have a free account or any account with Semrush, and then go ahead and pop in the password that you want and click create account. Then it will probably have you verify that you actually have access to this email. So pop in the verification code, and once you're verified, it's going to ask you a couple questions. So you can just go ahead and click through. And then it kind of makes you think that in order to move forward, you have to sign up for a free trial, but you don't. You can just click skip trial down here and then click skip again. And then you will be able to access the free version of Semrush. So they definitely add a whole bunch of steps in there. Now, I will say that for work and for business, I do use a pro version of Semrush. I love it, but I'm also using this tool every single day for my clients. So to me, it's worth it. But the free version could be really, really helpful if you just need to do some light keyword research, or maybe you're doing some stuff for your own website and all of that. And so if you want the details of what's included in the free version of Semrush, I will put the link to this post in the video description box below so you can see when it was last updated. This is going to be the best place to look to see what's included in the free option, because with software companies and plans and stuff like that, we know that things can change quite often. And so also at the time of this recording, who knows if a free version is even available. So please don't come at me in the comments if they end up taking this away. But at the time of this recording, there is a free version. So with the free version, you can add one project. And so you can type in a website name, begin a project, and you can run an SEO audit on here. You can do domain overview. So you can pop in a URL and you'll be able to see a bunch of helpful information. You can do keyword overview. So keyword research, you can pop a bunch of keywords in and you'll be able to see keyword difficulty, and you'll be able to see the monthly search volume, and you'll get access to my favorite SEO keyword research tool, which is the keyword magic tool. So you basically just pop in a keyword here, and then Semrush does all of this compiling here of all of these different keyword variations, and you can see the keyword, the intent, the monthly search volume, keyword difficulty. If you're running ads, you can see the CPC and all of that. So I will say that with the free version, I think you only get 10 searches a day. So use them wisely if you want to get into a research rabbit hole. And then as you can see here, you are limited in the amount of information that you'll be able to see. And also at this time, I don't think that you can actually export data, but you should be able to screenshot the data and maybe pull it into some reports. So So there are some ways to kind of get through like the restrictions of using a free account, but the fact that they have a free account and you can dabble and see all of this information for free is absolutely incredible. If you did want to be able to snag like all of the rest of these keywords, and maybe you want the feature to be able to export things, or maybe you're running into your usage limits, then if you want, I have a affiliate code that allows you to snag a free 14-day pro trial. The standard one is a 7-day pro trial, so you can get an extra 7 days just by using my affiliate link. I will pop it in the video description box below. But other than that, have fun with it. I hope that you end up loving Semrush as much as I do. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found this video helpful, give me a really quick thumbs up. The simple thumbs up does go a long way in letting the YouTube algorithm know that my video is helpful, and therefore hopefully pushing it out to more people that also might find it helpful. And if you want to give the pro version of Semrush a spin to see if you like it, I do have a link so that you can snag a free 14-day pro trial that will give you way more usage options. It will allow you to export things and a whole lot more. So I will leave a link to that in the video description box below, or you can go to mariahmagazine.com/Semrush and it should take you right over there. Just in the sake of transparency, that link is an affiliate link. So if you click it and you purchase anything, then I can make a commission, but I literally am only an affiliate for Semrush because I use it all of the time. And so if you have any questions about anything about Semrush in general, or if you have any ideas for videos on the channel, leave me a comment below the video. I use your comments, your feedback, and your suggestions to inspire new videos on this channel. And last thing, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, and I will see you in the next video. If you made it to the end of this video and you're just getting started with DIY SEO, but you want some help navigating the process, then definitely consider downloading my free roadmap to successful SEO. The free SEO guide dives into what SEO is, why it's important, and how search engines work, along with my 6-step process to improving your SEO and your rankings. And then finally, I dive into the 3 tasks that you can start doing today to get the results that you want from Google. If you want to go ahead and snag this for yourself, then you can click the link in the video description box below, or you can head over to my website at mariahmagazine.com/roadmap to download your own copy.